How do you expect the world of SEO to evolve over the next few years? And is there anything law firms can do to start preparing for how SEO is evolving?
Just be conscious of the fact that you want your domain authority of your website to constantly be growing, right? There's a tool called Ahrefs, which is probably a tool I recommend everybody listening have a subscription to that. It's probably like $100 a month, but that will allow you to see, the different websites that are linking back to you. It'll show you your domain rating of your website. And the goal is for your domain rating to go from a 12 to a 70, right? At some point. And you do that by getting other websites to link back to you. So always be thinking in terms of like SEO, like what can I do to make my website stand out so other people link back to us, right? So that's the first thing. And the second thing is schema, right? If you don't know what that is, if that is a new word to you, if you work with an agency, go back to them, text them right now. What is this schema stuff? And is it important, right? And it is. Like if you Google my name, like Jason Hennessy, like you'll see like a knowledge panel that shows up, and Google knows me as an SEO professional. It knows that I write for Forbes. It knows that I write for Entrepreneur. It knows that I write for Rolling Stone. The reason why it knows all of that, because on my website, I basically instruct Google that I am Jason Hennessy. I write for Rolling Stone magazine. I write for this, right? I'm telling Google through schema that this is who I am. This is my birthday. This is where I live. This is right. And then this way, this is the same thing with like Wikipedia, right? It's all using schema.
So what different types of schema are there that lawyers should be looking out for on their site?
Schema can get can get basic as like, what is your organization details? Like, what is the name of your business? What is your address? What is your phone number? There's FAQ schema. There's video schema. If you just go to schema.org, there's so many different, there's legal schema. So you can talk about law firms, but then it goes way deeper than that, right? So like you can basically say, hey, I'm Jason Hennessy. I went to college at UNLV. And then you can build schema so that you can say, UNLV is the same as, and then you basically like reference the UNLV website in the schema to say, right, it can get really, really deep. So